Okay guys, so once you've downloaded your add actions zip folder, you need to make sure that it's placed on your desktop. So the first thing you need to do is extract the files. So we're going to extract them on our desktop. Okay, and you might want to keep that folder as a backup just in case anything goes wrong with these folders. But looking inside the folders here, first thing you need to do is go to this assets folder and double click on the font and install the font. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to install it, but you just double click and then click install font. Then you need to double click on the actions, and the actions will go ahead and install. And if we click window up here, click actions, you can see this one here, QSP mocks and adds. Okay, that's the one that we just installed. So looking back at the folder, come back to this here, this design resize PSD is the only PSD that you need to do for now. There might be some editing which I'll show you in another video, but for now let's double click on this one so this one opens up. Now what you're going to need to do is add your mockups to this PSD. So I'm going to leave these in here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to make sure that your mockups are named 001, 002, 003, 4 and 5, like that. What I'm going to do for this is I'm going to remove these and I'm going to show you as if you're starting from scratch. Okay, so here on my desktop I've got some here, these mockups. So I'm going to bring these in, I'm going to highlight them all and I'm going to drag and drop them. I'm just going to press enter, 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 like that. So now what I'm going to do, this layer here is selected, so I'm going to select layer 5, Command T, and I'm just going to resize. So what all you need to do with your mockups basically is just resize them so they fit in this square here. Okay, just going to switch that one off, resize this one, Command T, holding down shift and grabbing the corners. Okay, you need to make sure you hold down shift so that it resizes in proportion. Let's do that one. Layer 3, Command T, hold down shift, drag it till it fits like that, press enter, press that one off, highlight this one, Command T, hold down shift, resize like so, press enter, press that layer off, highlight this layer, Command T, hold down shift, drag it out till it fits, put it somewhere like that. Okay, then I'm going to switch all these back on. So you need to do that and you need to have all these switched on. Now let's just quickly look back in our folder. It's on desktop. So here in this publish folder is where they're all going to end up. So let's just see, these folders at the moment are all empty. So what we're going to do now is run the action. So all you need to do is highlight this play all. Now if you don't see these actions here, you need to come up to window and make sure actions is checked. You see how that disappeared? Yours may look different over here, but if you come up to window, if you don't see the actions, just select actions and that shows up there like that. Whoops, I've just added a text layer there which I didn't mean to do. I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay, so now we're going to run the actions. So I'm going to select this play all and I'm going to hit play. Now it takes a minute or so, so I'll just speed up the video while it does that. Okay, so that's finished. I think it was on 241 when I started, so it takes around 1 to 2 minutes to run those. So now when we go and look in our folder, you can see we've got all our Facebook post images, and I'll show you in a later video how we can edit this text and change the colors down here. So we've got our Facebook post images, we got all our quick sales page images, so we got the framed, we got the no framed, we got our main image here. So if you want to use the main image as a rectangle, and we should square no frame, we should have a main image, frame, square with frame. This one here is your main image as well, square with frame. So you can use, if you want a square image as your main image on quick sales page, you can use that. And in another video I'll show you how quick it is to do the quick sales pages with this as well. And that one's your main image, or we've got no frames, but like I say, we'll look at that in another video. Then you've got your carousel ad images or your video slideshow images. These are all the right sizes, what you need, so these will be perfect for that, for your ads. And then we've got the single ad images here. Now of course this one's got a background, so it looks a bit funny with a background. If you're using transparent backgrounds, these all save as PNGs, so they'll look fine with a transparent background. And I did a couple of mixed up ones here as well, so if you are using a background you can use these images and they look pretty cool as well. So you've got all your images there. So all you need to do once you've run the actions, this publish folder, you just need to rename this, so we'll call this T test, like that. And then you come into your assets folder, you copy this publish folder here, you come back and then you just paste it in there, and then you're ready to run your actions again. And then you can go and move this folder wherever you want, and keep it with all your, wherever you want to keep those, or you can just leave it in there, entirely up to you. So that's it. Basically it takes around 1 to 2 minutes and it makes all the images that you need. Okay, thanks guys, bye for now.